Searching for William C. White, male, 17 years old, 5 feet 3 inches, 115 pounds, brown hair, green eyes. Victim was last seen at 8:30 p.m. on February 14th, 2024 at the 3600 block of Pinecase Drive, Pearland, Texas 77581, wearing a gray and maroon long-sleeve Pearland shirt and black pants. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Pearland Police Department at 281-997-4316. News media point of contact is Pearland Police Department at 832-977-5892.
This is a pretty scary Amber
The
Alert.
current time is 7:58 p.m. Central Standard Time. You're listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the net.
Yeah, it's a pretty scary Amber Alert. Pretty dangerous at this point.